So, kamusta?
Extreme naman talaga.
Kamusta?
Okay
Sabi mo,
naman.
nakakatawa na sinabi mong ito yung natapos mo na teleserye na hindi ka nagloko or something.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very true na sobrang, because of the team, sobrang naging grounded lang ako. And of course, thank you to Direct Lester who vouched for me para mapasama ako dito. Thank you kina Sir Carlo Catibak, lahat ng bumubuo ng Star Creatives. They gave me this chance to redeem myself totally, no? And here we are, nung nasa Marawi kami, sabi ni Chang Des and ng Direct, they're so proud of me for finishing this show na walang problema. And yun, milestone po yun for
How
me.
was your yung experience sa Marawi? Very safe ba? Hindi ba kayo natakot?
Yeah, no, everything was safe. The food, the culture so good. And we're just grateful that they took good care of us. So, abangan nyo, napakaganda ng ending na. Thank you so much.
Thank you.